Just fitted this beast of a power tank. I usually fit the Stuart Turner brands, which are the accumulators, but this was far cheaper, so the customer decided to go for this option. It serves about 7 flats. It's about 3 or 4 stories high, and by the time water got to the 3rd or 4th story, the electric showers literally just wouldn't work. So as you can see, it's 650 litres. So customer bought this hose here, which is 28mm for the inlet, and this hose here, which is also 28mm for outlet. He bought this because he was told that it will reduce the sound of the pump when it's running. You can hear it now. Pump's running. To me, it's silent anyway, to be fair. It's not even that loud. And full bore isolation valve you got with it. You got that with it there. So let me show you. So you've got the waste, the overflow, which is there, going all the way around, 1.25" solvent outside the wall, and you've got your inlet, and then you've got your outlet, right? And let me show you how it's done. So there's your mains coming in, and there's your boosted supply going back out, right? So main comes in all the way along the bottom, I put a pressure gauge here, so you can see the mains coming in pressure. The pressure coming in is about 1.5 bar, right? It goes across. This isolation valve gets opened. Yeah. It then goes all the way across. Across here, there's another isolation valve there, and it fills it through this connection here. There's the fill valve, similar to what you get in the toilet. There's a submerged pump there, and you can see the water. The amount of water it holds, right? So then the way it works is you've got water coming in, the pump, you set the pressures here. So right now you can see I've set it to about 3.5 bar. Vessel's being charged. Vessel needs to be 0.7, I believe, to whatever you set this to, yeah? It then boosts out. As it boosts out, it then goes down here through this one here, which shows you the pressure. You can hear the pump running right now, which is boosting the pressure now. So it's going to boost it to about 3.5-4 bar. And then it will shoot all the way back inside into these flats. Now what I've fitted right here is a bypass. So if I shut this, for example, and open this, it will then bypass this whole tank, and it will just go back into the main. So if any maintenance work has been done, I fitted the bypass, and then I also fitted a tap just so I can check the pressures, flow rates, and it's always just going to have a little tap there. And that tap there has been positioned in such a way that if the bypass is closed, I can then test the flow rate and pressure out of this pump. And if the bypass is open, I close this valve here, and then I can test the incoming flow rate. These gauges are